I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by locking down sound sources. Choose a dedicated USB mic or a headset with a clear cardioid pattern and place it 6 to 12 inches from your mouth. Once done, add a pop filter or foam windscreen to reduce plosives and breath. Make sure your connection is direct, USB if possible, or a reliable 3.5 cable into a clean preamp. Also, mute noisy software and close background apps so your CPU doesn't introduce audio glitches while you continue. Now open Discord and tune the core settings. Turn off automatic input sensitivity so you control the threshold. Then speak and drag the slider until your voice registers without cutting quieter words. Decide between voice activity for hands-free use or push-to-talk to eliminate background noise entirely. Enable Discord's noise suppression and echo cancellation if others hear room reverb. Also switch audio subsystem to standard or legacy if you experience dropouts, and test with a friend to confirm clarity. Finish by adding subtle processing, a gentle high pass to remove rumble, mild compression to even dynamic range, and a small presence EQ boost around 3.5 kHz for intelligibility. Route your mic through software like Voicemeeter or OBS Virtual Audio for real-time processing, and record short test clips at 44.1 or 48 kHz to compare changes. If audio drops or crackles, restart audio drivers. Try a different USB port or cable, and then retest to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.